Local time varies from place to place based on the position of the sun overhead. Places situated westwards of a given place have a time behind places situated eastwards of it. Standard time is the local time of a centrally located meridian and is assigned to the whole area or country as its standard time. The Universal Time Code, UTC, is used as the global standard time, and the time zones are divided based on their difference from UTC. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of UTC, based on the central meridian of India. The International Date Line follows the meridian of 180 degree and is used to avoid confusion in dates while traveling across the world. Crossing the International Date Line from west to east gains a day, and crossing it from east to west loses a day in terms of date. The solar day is the average time required for the successive passages of the sun over a given meridian and is exactly 24 hours. The sidereal day is the time required for a 360-degree rotation of the Earth, causing a given star in the sky to return to the same position in relation to the Earth, and it is about 4 minutes less than the mean solar day. The difference between the solar day and the sidereal day is caused by the fact that the position of the Earth with respect to the Sun keeps changing due to its revolution around the Sun. For a given meridian to pass in front of the Sun successively, the Earth has to rotate slightly more than 360 degrees due to the shift in the position of the Earth with respect to the Sun. The position of the Earth with respect to a star at infinity does not change, so the sidereal day is the time taken by the Earth to complete a 360-degree rotation on its axis, and it is slightly shorter than the solar day. The actual 360-degree rotation of the Earth on its axis with respect to a given star in the sky takes 23 hours and 56 minutes, which is shorter than the 24-hour solar day. A year is the time taken by the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun. The solar year is measured with respect to the Sun, and the sidereal year is measured with respect to a fixed star. A calendar year is regulated using leap years to keep it equal to the solar year. One day is added to the usual year of 365 days in February every fourth year, a leap year. The lunar month of 29.5 days has been made slightly longer to ensure the occurrence of the months and seasons at the same time. The ancient Egyptians, Sumerians, and Babylonians had adopted calendars based on lunar months. Julius Caesar corrected the Roman calendar by adding 90 days to the year 1946 BC. Pope Gregory XIII made the last year of the century a year of 365 days unless the year was divisible by 400. The Gregorian calendar, which is now universally used, does not have months of equal duration.